to choose this voice. And then this is my actual voice. Hello, what's your name? And then my technique voice is like this. Hello, what's your name? And this is Racket. Rebecca. It's Rebecca again. Say hi. She's planting fruits. Let's go to the yard. Let's go. My milkshake brings the boys to the yard, girl. Like, it's better than yours. I know that song. Let me teach you. My milkshake is in the boys to the yard, girl. Like, it's better than yours. Look at this. Shine like a diamond. Shine like a diamond. Let's hurry up before the plants die. Let's go wash it. Wash it. It's kidding. It's just kidding. Ow! Ah! This is my phone, Samsung Galaxy. I really hate Samsung Galaxy. Why my mom buy this for me? I cannot hold it. So this is Rebecca, guys. Rebecca. Did you see Rebecca's face? Kaluoy ba ni Rebecca, guys? Ang Filipino. Only Filipino can watch this. Not Americans. I'm saying English too. Maybe Americans didn't follow and they can understand. Right? Right. This is my one. This is my duckling. It was it was talking. Let's go see the plants. My blanket plants. I get a blanket plant. See? I hope you can see the blanket plants. I mean plants. It was flowers. It was flowers. Long ago, it was flowers. It's flowers. Ooh! It was weird. And this is Mochi Mochi, her horse. Let me explain it to you. Hey, wala na just... This is how I explain it to you. Look, she rides on it. She rides and acts, and this acts like a... This is, her name is Momo, her name is Mochi Mochi, and her name is Coco. Coco ba? Cookie! Cookie! She got 3 names. Momo, Mochi Mochi, and Cuckoo. I mean Coco, and then Cookie for the I. Stop watching me. I'm the voice actor, okay? I'm going to hide. Stop copying me. Don't watch at my friend. So you'll not be doomed by me. Because I'm going to go to your house and scare you. Like, rah! Like that, okay? Don't mess with him. Say, blah blah to Mochi Mochi. This is Rebecca and this is Mochi Mochi, okay? Say it, okay? Right now. Huh? You say it? I'm going to scare you. Rawr! I'm going to scare you at night. At night. Cool. Go. Let's go to their house. To to Maria's subscribers. I'm Maria, but my nickname is Isa. Don't bully, okay? That's bad to bully their nickname or the sped kid. rides. That's bad because Jesus will get angry, okay? Don't do that. That's bad. If you do, they will go to the house. They need bags. Don't go. Why? Your subscribers get angry right now. No. Bye, guys. I miss you.